In this video, you're going to learn how to configure the PnP VPN in Hillstone firewall. The PnP VPN is another configuration mode for hub-and-spoke VPN. The traditional hub-and-spoke IPsec VPN requires sophisticated operations gear and high maintenance cost. To relieve network administrators from the heavy work, Hillstone provides an easy-to-use VPN technology, PnP VPN, aka plug-and-play VPN. The PnP VPN consists of two parts, PnP VPN server and PnP VPN client. The PnP VPN server is normally deployed in the headquarters and maintained by the IT engineer. The PnP VPN server issues most of the configurations command to the clients. The Hillstone device usually works as a PnP VPN server, and one Hillstone device can serve as multiple servers. The PnP VPN client normally deployed in the branch offices and controlled remotely by headquarters engineer. With simple configuration, such as client ID, password, and server IP setting, the PnP VPN client can receive configurations command, for example, DNS, wins DHCP address pool, get secret from the PnP VPN server. Now, let's take a look at the detailed configurations for PnP VPN server and PnP VPN client. First, the PnP VPN server. Before configuring the IPsec tunnel, we should create the user information for each client. So, go to Object Kit, AAA Server, click New PnP VPN Server. We can create the name by PnP. And in the PnP VPN server, we should create a user for each client. Click New, for example, user 1. And in the PnP VPN here, the IK ID, Hillstone 1. And for the user 1, we want to give it the network segment 192.168.1.0/24. So the address pool could start from 1.2 and end with 1.99. And the mask is 24, and the gateway would be 192.168.1.1. DNS and Win server. And then click OK. And click Edit again. We need to specify the tunnel route. The tunnel route means how we could make the client to select the traffic for VPN tunnel. So usually you should specify the LAN networks for other clients and the headquarters in this tunnel route. For example, 192.168.0.0/24. This is the LAN network for the headquarters, and another one 192.168.2.0/24, maybe for another client. And then click OK. Now let's start configuring the IPsec tunnel. In Network, IPsec VPN, click New. PnP. And in Interface, choose the one interface. And the mode should be aggressive with PnP VPN. And the tab is User Group. And the server and the proposal. The pursuit key ID, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And just like what we did in the dial VPN, we need generate the partial key for each user. The IKE ID is the ID we have configured in the user information. For example, for user 1, it would be Hillstone 1 and generate. This is the partial key and aka the password used in the PnP VPN client. Copy and send to the user. And phase 2 configuration. We can just use our tool here and click OK. So that's all the IPsec tunnel configurations. The following would be the interface, the root, and the policy configuration. They're the same like what we did before, so we will skip it here. Now let's continue the configuration in the client. In the client, the configuration would be very simple. Just go to Network, VPN, IPsec VPN. There is the button. Click PnP VPN client. Specify the server IP, which is the public IP address of the central device. And the ID would be the IKE ID we have configured for user 1 is Hillstone 1. The password is the partial key we have generated in the central site. And the outgoing interface would be the WAN interface. The incoming interface would be the LAN interface which you want to be used. And then click OK. Now let's wait for a few seconds. And then the tunnel would be up. Okay, now you can see the client is up. You can check it in the center in IPsec VPN monitor, dial up user, and choose the PnP. Then you can see the Hillstone 1 is up. Also, you can check it in the client in IPsec VPN monitor. The IPsec SA is active. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more details in the document library.